Assalamualaikum. Today we will present to you about our business plan, Broquet Florist. My name is HAFIZUL HILMI bin ZUNAIDI and I will present to you about the executive summary. Executive summary. A business plan is a written document that describes in detail how a business, usually a startup, defines its objective and how it is to go about achievement its goal. A business plan lays out a written roadmap for the firm from marketing, financial, and operational standpoints. Business plans are important documents used to attract investment before a company has established a proven track record. They are also a good way for companies to keep themselves on target going forward. The motivation behind this field test strategy is to present the Broquet Florist as we will make it notable around the town. Just as to present the business, I might want to summarize somewhat about the business. The business is a sole ownership where the capitals are acquired from a bank credit and a portion of that from own commitment. My business is focused more on beautify Broquet. We are giving our full worry of the multitude of components matter to the business. For example, item, value, bundling, and furthermore showcasing as the representative have their own involvement with gift and little endeavor industry. Next, the supervisory crew from Broquet Florist comprise of general manager, marketing manager, administrative manager, operation manager, and the fashioner, cashier, and deals advertiser. Every one of them assumes significant job to make Broquet Florist achievement later on. I will in general keep the relationship of representative and the proprietor in great condition, as it will make the environmental factors more quiet and splendid with the goal that the client could likewise divide. Concerning the inside plan, I truly like the quoting encompassing with bright. This is a neighborhood business that we need to make it into the core of the individuals with great quality and great impression.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FAIZ FITRI bin ROSLAN, and today I would like to explain about our business plan, which is we choose Broquet Florist for our business plan. So for the introduction, Broquet is the one of the name that we chose for our business organization. The words bro represent for our workers that mostly men that have creativity on beautify bouquet, and the quet Q-U-E-T represent for the words bouquet, an attractive bunch of flower, especially one presented as a gift or carried at a ceremony. We choose broquets because we want to show that not only a woman but men also can involve on this industry, and also this is a capital requirement of a business. Capital requirement of a business is important. So, and this business is to allow entrepreneur to view and evaluate their proposed business venture in an objective, critical, and practical manner, and also to convince relevant parties of the investment potential of the project. So this is our business description. The name of company is Broquet Florist that I said just now, and the name of shop also same, and our address, as you can see, at Ceras, Kuala Lumpur, and we have our website email address, which is broquet21@gmail.com, and so on, and all the description that I show in this slide. Secondly, this is our logo, vision and mission, which is our vision is future that blooms, and mission is qualities above all. On this vision and mission, that my friend will explain more about this vision and mission, and also the logo. And so this is our owner description. The name of the owner is HAFIZUL HILMI bin ZUNAIDI, and this is all his biodata that we can see on this slide. So as you can see, he is have degree in business, and his experience is participate in decorating flower competition, have side business such as a burger stall and restaurant, and his present occupation is a full-time businessman. So that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Let's continue to organizational or administrative plan. Okay, this is our business vision and mission. Okay, the first one is vision, future that blooms. We want to be a leader in our business scope, which means we want to be the #1 retailers that selling flowers in our country, Malaysia. Not just that, we also want that the customer's first thought is our product or our shop if they are wanted to buy flowers to give to someone. Okay, next one is mission, qualities above all. So the aim of our flower shop is to provide very good services for the customer. So we are providing the customer with quality flowers and good floral arrangement at a reasonable price. We also do not compromise our qualities, our product qualities, for the sake of price and profit. So because of that, we will ensure our customers' satisfaction for our products. Okay, next one is business objective. We have 3 business objectives. So the first one is to provide wonderful gifts. Second one is to satisfy customer preference, which means we we take note all the customers' preference, what are they want for the in the bouquet of flowers, what are their preferred arrangements. So we consider all the customer preference in our business. We give our customers the #1 priorities. So the third one is to give happiness to the customers. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, this is our organization chart. So at the top of the chart is general manager, and continue with the finance manager, which have cashier below the finance manager, and next one is marketing manager and have 2 designer below the marketing manager, and the next one is administrative manager, and the last one is operation manager. So this is our business organization chart. Okay, next slide is for the list of administrational personnel. So we have 1 general manager, 1 marketing manager, 1 administrative manager, and also 1 operation and financial manager. Besides that, we also have 1 cashier and 2 designers. So the total of our employee is 8 staff. So after knowing the organizational chart and the number of staff in our business. So let's know about their tasks and responsibilities. So for the position of general manager, they are responsible for managing the employees, controlling the budget, and applying marketing strategies. Besides that, general manager also the key person that involved in directing and guiding employers. So the next position is financial manager. So financial manager is basically a manager that are very related to cash flow to a cash flow of the business, so such as budget, current liability, income statement, and expenses. So financial manager is basically a manager that develop a budget, evaluation, analysis, and monitoring. So the next one is administrative manager. So this manager is responsible to hire staff, a new staff, training staff, and monitoring the new staff. Beside that, administrative manager also guarantee that our raw material supply are well managed. So next position is operation manager. Operation manager is responsible for handling operation for the goods and for the services. Beside that, the presence of operation manager also to ensure that our company runs efficiently and with a consistent and effective operation. So the next position is marketing manager. Marketing manager is a manager that develops strategies for market our business. So they are going to make some connection with other businesses or company, or like they are going to make some advertisement that will boost our business name. Okay, the next position is cashier. So cashier provide a great customer experience with professional and best treatment. So the important task for the cashier is register transaction to the cash register by scanning items and totalizing customer purchases. Okay, the last position is designer. So designer basically is going to arrange the bouquet of the flowers according to the customer preference. Besides that, they also design decorative or concept ideas for decoration, display, or business purposes. Okay, next slide is the schedule of remuneration. So for the position of general manager, the monthly gross salary is 3,000. So after subtracting with the EPF and so, the net monthly salary is 2,550 ringgit. And financial manager, the monthly gross salary is 2,500, and the net salary is 2,125 ringgit. Marketing manager 2,300, their monthly gross salary, and the net salary is 1,955. And the next manager is administration manager. The monthly gross salary is 2,200. So after subtracting with the EPF and so, it will become the 1,870 ringgit. And the last manager is operation manager. So the monthly gross salary for the operation manager is 2,200, same as administration manager. And the net salary is 1,870. And the next position is designer. So we have two designers. So their monthly gross salary is 1,500, and after subtracting the EPF and SOCSO, they will get 1,275 ringgit Malaysia. And the last position is the cashier. Their monthly gross salary is 1,200, and then net monthly salary is 1,020 ringgit. So the total net salary for our business is 12,665 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, let's move up to the list of office equipment. So the first equipment is office furniture, which the quantity is 7 unit and the price is 500. So it will cost us 3,500. This office furniture including the tables, chairs, and many else. So the next item is file cabinet with 6 quantity. Next is air conditioner, computer, laminate machine, laser printer, cordless phone, and post system. So the total for our office equipment is going to be 24,153 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, the last slide for today is organizational or administrative budget. So as you can see here, the fixed asset or capital expenditures is all the equipment of the office for the office. So the total fixed asset is 24,153, and for the working capital or monthly expenditure, so we have salaries, utilities, and rental. So the total monthly expenditure is 15,165. We also included the other expenditures, which are business registration and license, deposit rental. So it is going to cost us 2,000 only. So the total for our administrative expenditure is 41,318 ringgit Malaysia. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Arif AKHTAR bin AZMAN. So today I will continue our presentation with marketing plan. So what is marketing plan? Marketing plan is an operational document that outlines an advertising strategy that an organization will implement to generate leads and reach the target market. So we continue with our target market. So our target market is for a gift giver and lovable partner or a couple. We also target age group above 13 years old to 17 years old, which is in the teen category, but we did not suggest them to give to their partner or lover. We suggest to the teen category to give our product, which is our flower, to their parents, to their family members, to their teachers. So this section can be reached through print promotion and radio ads. We also plan that we want to building up the shop through the internet advertising. And lastly, we also target our product to the normal age category, which is 24 years old, which is separating to 32% ladies and 68% men. So we continue for our sale forecast. So what is sale forecast? Sale forecast is a process of estimating future sales. Accurate sale forecast can help companies to predict the short-term and the long-term performance for our company. So as we can see in the slide, this is our sale forecast of our sale collection in year 2021. The total for our forecast for a year is 555,850 ringgit Malaysia. So we continue with marketing strategies. What is marketing strategies? Marketing strategies is The contents of the company's value proposition, key brand messaging, data on target customer demographics, and other high-level elements. So this is our product and services, which is packaging, brand, and product differentiation. So we continue for our pricing. Pricing can be described as price of a product or a service is the amount of money charged to the customer for a particular purchase. So as we can see in the table, for the operation cost, for one price of our product costs 5 ringgit. So let's say we order them in 2000 unit. So the total cost will be 10,000. So the market price for one of the product is 5 ringgit. So we will mark up the product in 2 ringgit and we sell it for 7 ringgit for each product. So total sales for 2000 units of our product that we sell in 7 ringgit is 14,000. So we can collect 4,000 in profit of 2,000 units of our product. Place. So our shop is situated in Cheras. We likewise acknowledge cost for conveyance in a specific spot around Cheras. So we think that this technique will help us to collect more profit for our company. Continue. For promotion. So promotion can be described as spreading information about end product, service or issue, or in marketing phrase, spreading information about a product, product line, brand or company. So this is the example of our promotion strategy. We build a website, signboard and banners, we give lower price and discount, and we make our own sticker. So for the website, we will always update the newbie exhibition organization, and we also will update new flower photo stock by month to month. Next, signboard and banners. We have located the signboard directly in front of our building so that when people pass by, they will know where we are and what services and product we are producing. So we make signboard and banners actually to promote our business premises to the customer. So when the customer or people can see the signboard and banners, they can see through our premises of the company. Next, lower price and discount. So we will give the best price to our customer, and we also will give free extra bouquet of flower to our customer that buy more than certain quantities that we had set. So we have made a package deal for free extra bouquet of flower to the customer. Next, sticker. So we have made our own stickers. So this way will make the customer closer to us because they will have our information and detail. So this is the information and detail that we provided in the stickers, which is name of the company, address of the company, phone number, company's logo, and company's email. We will give the sticker to the customer that purchase our bouquet of flower. Lastly is our marketing budget. So our marketing budget for our signboards and banners is 300, for our brochure 150, for our sticker 100, for the promotion 3,500, for the signboard license 100. So the total of our marketing budget will be 4,150 ringgit.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad SHAHRUL AZRYN bin Hanif. So let's continue to the operational plan. What is operational plan? The operational plan is the one of the section that is included in this business plan. This section will demonstrate the operational aspect of the business that is important in transforming the business input into output. This operational plan also will ensure the business is able to produce or provide the product that has been planned in this marketing plan. Next, the process chart that we use to show the flow of the process activity. So we have the circle for the operation, arrow for the transportation, rectangle for the inspection, semicircle for the delay, and lastly we have triangle for the storage. So we have two process activity, which is preparation and processing order. For the preparation, first we receive the flour and the other ingredients. Next, audit the material to make sure every item is ready, same as in the material planning. Next, we transfer all the flour to the flour store. After that, we operation for preparation of the flour before open the shop. Next, we open the shop at 9 AM until 5 PM. After that, cleaning process after the close. Next, audit all balance of raw material per day. And lastly, we close the shop and finish the operation hour for the employees. Next, we have the process order. First, we greet to the customer, accompany them to display flower, ask the customer either they need help or not, give the customer idea about to choose the flower. Next, take the chosen flower to the table work. After that, set the flower which customer needs. Next, bring the flower to the cashier. Customer satisfied and ready to pay, prepare the bills and accept the payment. Lastly, thanks guests for coming. Next, we have the operational layout. So this is the operational layout where we have the display for the flower, we have the work table, cashier and the entrance of the shop. Material requirement. This for the calculation for output per day, the average sale we get from the marketing plan, we divided into 12 months. So we get the 26,745 and 83 cents per month. This answer we will divide for the price per unit, so we can get the 3,820 unit per month, and we divide it with the working day, so we get the 146 unit per day. So this is our target for sell 146 unit per day. This is the raw material and machine equipment. So this is the cost. We have the raw materials like rose, tulips, daisy, boxes, ribbons, wrapping paper, matte paper, chocolate, teddy bear and helium balloon. So this will cost around 5,390. The machine also have computer, air conditioner, laminate machine, laser printer, cordless phone, fire cabinet, post system and office furniture. So this cost will total around 24,153. So this is the operation budget. The operating budget that the business need to estimate for the operation activity. The operation budget can be categorized into 3, which is fixed asset, monthly expenses and other expenses. For the fixed assets, we have the office equipment, which is 24,153. Next, for the monthly expenses, we have the working capital, which is salary, utilities, rental and raw material, which the cost total is 20,555. Next, for the other expenses, we have the business registration and license and deposit rental. So the total cost is 46,708. Business and operation hour. For the business hour, we usually open on the weekday, such as Monday to Friday at 9 AM until 5 PM. But for Saturday, we open at 9 AM but until 1 PM. But Sunday, we close and holiday. For the operation hour, Monday to Friday, we open at 8 AM until 5:30 PM. For Saturday, 8 AM until 1:30 PM. And for the Sunday, we close. Next is the license and the regulation. This license and the regulation that we talk in the operational budget at the other expenses that cost 1,000 ringgit. So at the license, we have the company registration, company and employees income tax registration, employees provide form, EPF, Social Security Organisation, Broquet, and Business Premise License and Signboard License. So for the regulation, according to this epidemic COVID-19, so the regulation during the MCO, we need to contactless payment, customer detail recorded. So, and any other person that come into our shop need to measure their temperature. And last, the body temperature of the customer should not above 70.5 degrees Celsius. That's it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am ZULFAKHRI bin ZULKAFLI, and I will be presenting on our financial plan for our company, which is Broquet Florist. And before we get into further detail about on our income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, we have to understand about the definition of the financial plan. Financial plan is a document containing a person's current money or a company's current money situation and long-term monetary goals. Meaning to say, if this financial plan is a way for a person or a company to strategize their goals. So firstly, we have income statement. So as you can see from income statement, we have on the left we have sales, cost of sales, gross profit, marketing expenses, administrative expenses, depreciation charge, miscellaneous operating income, interest on term loan, and net profit before tax. So we have calculated for throughout 3 years, and for the first year we have the total gross profit of 229,750, whereas the second year we have 242,940, and the third year we have 267,190. As we go through for operating expenses, we have operating income, we have around 17,250 for the first year, 9,860 for the second year, and 11,490 for the third year. And lastly, we have the net profit before tax, 15,330 for the first year, 8,000 for the second year, and finally 9,740 for the third year. So next we're gonna continue for cash flow statement. Cash flow statement, what does it mean by cash flow statement? Cash flow statement is also known as statement of cash flows. It's a financial statement that shows how the changes in balance sheet accounts and income affects cash and equivalents, and breaks the analysis down to operating, investing, and financing activities. So this is our cash flow statement for our company. We have, firstly we have on the left side we have cash inflows, cash payments. We can see the owner's capital is 50,000, bank loan is 48,000, and total cash inflows is 98,000. And throughout 1 year we have a total of 418,950. And then we counted for more thorough calculation. We have calculated for the second year and the third year, which is the second year we have 663,714, and third year 934,493. And then we have cash payments, administrative expenses. We have a total of 151,980 for salaries, and until third year we have 569,925,000. We have utilities and rentals. Utilities, a total of 45,000 until the third year. Rental of 67,500 until the third year. And then we have marketing expenses. We have signboard, brochures, stickers, promotion, other expenditure, signboard license. And then we have operational expenses. We have office equipment, salaries, EPF and SOXO, utilities, rental, raw material, other expenditure, business registration and licenses and deposit rental. So we have a total of cash outflows for the first year. We have 502,593, 940,063, and 1,839,156. And the ending balance for first year is 83,643, 276,349, and for the last year for the third year, 904,663. So lastly, we have balance sheet. So what balance sheet is basically to summarize our financial balances. And here we have assets, non-current assets and current assets, and also total assets. Also owner's equity and total owner's equity and liabilities. So firstly, we're gonna see the total non-current assets for the first year is 26,203, 22,130, and 19,043. And then total current assets is 321,950, 663,714, and 915,450. So it brings to the total of total assets, which is total current assets added with total non-current assets, which brings us to the first year 348,153, 685,844, and 934,493. That's the total assets. And for for owner's equity, we have a total of 113,330, 106,000 for second year, 107,740 for the third year. And the liabilities, we have only loan balance 777,679, 69,048, and 60,417, which brings up a total of owner's equity and liabilities of 191,009 for first year, 175,048 for the second year, and 168,157 for the third year. That's all from me. Thank you.